Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Now in stock we have this stunning BMW 5 Series 530D M Sport Auto, powered by the amazing 3-litre 285 PS engine with automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, improving driving performance all year round. The stunning carbon black paint is enhanced by the high gloss shadow line exterior trim, black kidney grille and surround, black window surrounds, tinted glass with upgraded sun protection glazing adding to the look of the car as well as the security, and the 20-inch BMW individual light V-spoke bi-colour alloys with the blue M Sport brake calipers finishing off the car beautifully. This BMW comes with a range of factory-fitted extras, improving the convenience and safety of every drive, including the folding door mirrors and anti-dazzle, variable damper control, comfort access with smart opener, as well as standard specification, including the LED headlights with LED fog lights, ensuring maximum vision of the road at all times. To the rear of the car, we have the boot space, perfect for shopping and luggage. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests, a pull-down armrest in the middle with built-in cup holders, and ISOFIX points on the outside seats. When entering the cabin of the car, you are greeted by the stunning black Dakota leather upholstery with exclusive blue stitching on the front sports seats. This pairs beautifully with the black anthracite headlining and the aluminium rhombical with highlight trim finisher pearl chrome interior trim. Adding to the comfort and luxury of every drive, we have the electrically adjustable heated front seats. On the dash, we have the black leather-wrapped steering wheel coming with paddle shift, improving the performance of every drive alongside the drive performance controls with Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport modes. The steering wheel is also multi-function, helping you safely and easily control the cruise control with brake function, as well as the driver display screen, giving you everything you need right in your peripheral, helping to create a safer journey. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the 10.25-inch touch-sensitive display, featuring Bluetooth connectivity with hands-free, adding to the safety of every journey. DAB digital radio, giving you access to a wider range of radio stations. Satellite navigation for all of those unknown roads. BMW connected drive services, as well as Apple CarPlay preparation and other car settings. Alleviating all of your parking worries, we have the reversing assist camera with front and rear park distance controls. Just below we have the dual zone climate controls as well as the 3-way heated seats controls, ensuring both you and your front seat passenger are always comfortable in the forever changing British weather. We have the cup holders which can be hidden when you're not using them, keeping the car looking sleek and stylish. The display screen control panel, electronic parking brake, and just underneath the armrest we have additional storage space. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.